Alright, YouTube. Here are all the rest of our ATVs and dirt bikes. They're all in the garage. It's kind of messy. We just kind of moved them in here now. So yeah, this is a KX250. My Suzuki Z400. Can-Am DS70. We're actually going to sell this. So, well, we're trying to right now. If anybody's interested, just let me know. And if you want, I can put a more detailed video up of it. And here's a Honda CR250R. That's what my dad rides, mainly. So, yeah, we have a Polaris Trailblazer in our hangar, and I might go do a video of that right now. So, yep.